Generating a steady income from just your smartphone has never been easier. We now live in a time where we have infinite access to free information and resources, along with the opportunities on the internet that all come together and are right there at the tip of our fingers. Maybe you know someone who makes so much money online with some side hustles or website, and you also want your share of that delicious pie. And if you're watching this video, you are in the right place because I have gathered the best 3 ways to make money online from just your smartphone, no computers needed. I'm gonna list them one by one and also give you websites and apps to help you get started immediately. And hey, I'm not talking about taking online surveys or anything like that here. We're only going to focus on the best and highest paying money-making methods that you can do using just your phone. Absolutely anyone can get started with these, and don't worry, they're all beginner friendly. You don't need any startup capital or any special skills to get started, and you can do any of them from anywhere in the world. In this video, you will find gigs that pay from as little as $50 a day to as much as $500 a day or more, which means that you could potentially earn as much money as you want. So make sure you grab a pen and paper and write this stuff down so you do not miss anything. But just before we get started, I want you to smash the like button because you already know it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me a lot. And of course, subscribe if you're new here so you won't miss my future videos. So firstly, we have a way to earn money while playing games. You could earn up to $50 a day just by playing games on your phone. This is how many young people just like you are passing their time and earning money at the same time. You can easily go to a website like OnePlay or Missed Play and sign up there, and they will pay you to participate in their online games. There's a variety of games here, including survival games, card games, puzzle games, adventure, and strategy games. So there is something for everyone, and you never have to play games that you're not interested in. They also have tournaments and giveaways, being promoted all the time on their platforms. All of this to help you earn money even faster, so definitely take advantage of all of this. It's free to get started, but the only downside is that you cannot earn cash here. You only get paid in gift cards or in cryptocurrency, which you can of course exchange for real money later. Another way to make money is Amazon Trade-in. Now, this is a new way to make money from your phone that involves selling stuff you might own but don't need anymore. Amazon has a great trading program that lets you send in tech items like Amazon devices, video games, smartphones, accessories, and more. If you have an item that is eligible, you can trade it in for an Amazon gift card, not cash, because, well, Jeff Bezos is one greedy man. So they're not going to pay you in cash, but in gift cards. They can also pay you in credit, which you can use toward the purchase of maybe a new item on Amazon. And if you rack up enough credits, you could even use it to purchase a whole new item without having to pay anything more. The upside here is that you never have to worry about fees, and Amazon will cover the shipping costs when you're sending your item to them, and they're even gonna send you a free shipping label. So this is the Amazon Trade-in page, and this is where they accept your old devices, and in return give you gift cards for them. You can see all the device categories that are accepted. They have Kindle e-readers, tablets, streaming media players, Bluetooth speakers, home security devices, cell phones, gaming, and even more down here. It explains a little bit more information about how the whole thing works. All you have to do is to tell them about your item to see if it qualifies, and then you can ship it for free, and finally, you get paid and you can buy a new qualifying device. So it's a nice way to get free stuff from Amazon. At number 3, we have user testing. So, did you know that you can actually get paid for testing apps and websites on your smartphone? There are brands out there that want to know what people think about their products and services, and some of them are willing to pay you to share your opinions. According to the website, you can earn $4 for a 5-minute user testing, and up to $10 for a 20-minute test, and with your live interviews, you could earn anywhere from $30 to $120 just testing apps online. Definitely a great way to pass the time if you ask me. To sign up, just go to the website and click Get Started. Then you will need to answer some screening questions so that user testing can match you up with relevant products and services that are a good fit for you. And don't worry, you don't have to be an expert here. If you know how to use apps on your smartphone, that is exactly what you will be doing on usertesting.com. If you have any problems with any method provided today, Just comment down below, and I will help you with it. Thanks for watching. I'm Stacy, and you're watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.